Thank you, Ted. Well, this next story is one for the birds, literally. Today is the Audubon Society's annual Christmas bird count. Thousands of volunteers will be counting birds in all 50 states. Last year's count set a record of 60 million birds, including 200 more species than in 2008. Scientists rely on the Christmas bird count to better understand how birds and the environment are doing and what needs to be done to protect them. What a pretty wood duck.
I knew it. You would know every bird. Okay, now watch this. There's a snowman out in the street. This car goes around it. This is outside